Today we are going to see about the band gap determination of a semiconductor using post office box experiment. Okay, that is our aim. So to do that experiment, we need certain apparatus such as post office box, a galvanometer, a mantle used for heating, and a thermometer, a stand along with the power supply. Here it is considered this as a Wheatstone network. We have 4 different resistance. P is one set of resistance, Q is another resistance, R is another resistance, and finally an unknown resistance here is used to be a thermistor. So before we start the experiment, we have to connect certain wires. For example, the connection G is connected to galvanometer. Similarly, the B is connected to battery and X is connected to unknown thermistor. So when the connection is made, let me try to balance the bridge. How to balance the bridge? First of all, you have to set an initial resistance here, and R side I am fixed as 100. Then nullify all the other resistance in the P side to 0. You can see that there are 2 buttons are provided at B and G. Now you can press this button and observe in the galvanometer. You see that it shows only a one side reflection. Now we have to nullify this, for which I am giving 100 ohms at the P resistance. Now you can see right. To get more nullification, I have added one more resistance of 1 times. Now it is get completely nullified. So the resistance to balance this Wheatstone network required 104 ohms. So we have to note it down here. So this is the tabular column. First column is the temperature of the resistance. Now we have maintained at a room temperature which is 30 degrees centigrade. Convert this into Kelvin, which is 303. Here I have maintained the resistance R, that is here at 100 ohms. Therefore I have written 100. In Q I have written as 10 ohms. That's why I written here. To nullify it, in P I have spent 104 ohms for nullification. Therefore I have to write 104 here. So total value of an unknown resistance can be determined by Q by R into P. That is 10 by 100 into 104. That is actually 10.4. Therefore the unknown resistance is identified as 1004. Then you have to apply 2.303 of log 10 of xt to obtain the value for x. So for xt it is identified as 10.4. With the help of calculator you have to find 2.303 into log 10 of xt and write the value here.